Hey there, Heidi Cooper here, functional medicine practitioner, licensed esthetician from Skin Side Out. Today I want to talk to you guys about 3 toxic household items that you may be using that could really be contributing to hormonal imbalance. They can be called obesogens because these toxins actually hide in fat stores, and because our body is so smart, it really creates a situation where the body will not release the fat because it's protecting vital organs from these toxins. So it really was brought to my attention that I really try to do a good job of educating people about different ways to improve their health. However, I feel like I have not really done a great job of focusing on people removing some of these toxins out of their homes. So you can be doing a lot of other really great things, but if you're still having some of these exposures, they really can be hindering progress significantly. And it's really easy to make some swaps here. So I just wanted to cover 3 things. There are so many different things that we'll kind of cover over time, but I wanted to break it down and make it very simple for you to start working on some of these swaps today. So number 1 is non-stick cookware. This is in many people's homes. They contain something called PFOAs, which have been linked to cancer, and so just ditch that non-stick cookware. You know, in our house we use a lot of cast iron. We love our cast iron. In fact, I feel like the flavor is so much better than you could ever get on any sort of non-stick pan. And once you get a really nice seasoned cast iron pan, you really it'll be non-stick, so you don't have that to worry about without it having all of those chemicals leaching into your food as well. So that's number 1. That's a real easy swap. Number 2 is air fresheners and scented candles are terrible. They're very, very toxic. They contain benzene and phthalates, and those are linked to cancer, asthma, all sorts of different issues, very, very toxic. And a really easy swap there is just essential oils. If you're just diffusing essential oils, they're going to be much, much easier for the body to identify, and they don't have the toxicity component that all of these air fresheners with all of these toxic components have. So that's number 2. So just an easy swap there for essential oils. And number 3 is your cleaning products. A lot of these cleaning products contain something called volatile organic compounds, VOCs. And just the next time you're in the store, just make a swap for something a little bit more natural. There are lots of different natural laundry detergents and cleaning products. I know I'm a big fan of Norwex. They have some really great cleaning cloths where you don't even actually need a cleaner to use with them. So if you can find somebody that works with that or sells those products, those are really a great alternative. And dryer sheets also fall into this category where they have these volatile organic compounds and can be very problematic. And what we use instead of dryer sheets are these little wool balls, and I'll put a little link to those below that you can take a look at those, and you can reuse those. They work very, very well, and you can reuse those wool balls in your dryer. So 3 real easy things to start swapping out to help lessen that toxic burden at home, with some things that you may not have been aware that really can be problematic and really be an assault to the body on a regular basis that you just really don't want to have. So hope that was some helpful information for you. If you've got any questions about these items, please feel free to reach out. We're going to cover some other things moving forward that hopefully will be some good ways to find better options for you. So health and happiness. Have a super fantastic day. Thank you so very much.